In this tutorial, I will show you rectangular grid tool and polar grid tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. So this is rectangular grid tool. You can access this tool in line segment tool stack, and this is rectangular grid tool. Okay. So if you double click here, you can find a dialog box where default size, width and height, horizontal dividers and vertical dividers, and here is skew value, and use outside rectangular frame and fill grid. Okay, so I am okaying it and click, and I am drawing an rectangular using rectangular grid tool. So this is as like this. This is a horizontal divider and vertical divider. Okay, this is, here is 6 divider. You can see here is 12, and here is vertical divider 6 and horizontal dividers 12. So I am drawing it again. If I do not release the mouse and I can press upper arrow, you can see there are lots of horizontal divider added, and down arrow it will be decrease the horizontal divider. Right arrow it will add vertical divider, and left arrow it will decrease vertical divider. Okay. Also, if I press C from the keyboard without releasing the mouse, C, I am pressing C now, you can see that the vertical divider will squeeze in the right side. Okay, and if I press X, you can see that vertical divider is skewed in the left side. Okay, I am pressing C and return to the previous page, and then if I hold down pressing V from the keyboard, you can see it is skewed in the horizontal divided upper part, and F, it will squeeze in the lower part of the rectangle. Okay, same as polar grid tool. This is same tool, upper tool, lower arrow, right arrow and down arrow. Okay, and also C, if I see, you can see it is squeezed in the outer part, and X, it is squeezed in the inner part. Okay, and if I hold down, if I press B, then it is squeezed in right side, and F is squeezed in left side. So this is for that tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.